All right, today on this beautiful Monday, I am live in Ms. Wasaba's classroom, and I have three pledgers that are going to pledge with me. If you could please stand, raise your hand over your heart and join Annalise, Emmanuel, and Christian. I pledge allegiance of the United States of America
and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, one indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. This flag, I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible.
Will you please remain standing for a moment of silence? Thank you. You may be seated. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has a right to feel safe, loved, and respected. This means at home, on the bus, and during your school day. So if there is anyone at home, on the bus, or at school that makes you feel unsafe, unloved, or even disrespected, please let a trusted adult know. Have one birthday in the house. A very happy October birthday to Madison C. Happy birthday to you. We hope you have a lovely October birthday. All right, friends, our character education theme for the month of October, we have two, compassion and tolerance. Thomas Jefferson once said, "May I never get too busy in my own affairs that I fail to respond to the needs of others with kindness and compassion." We should all work to make sure that we do not get too busy with our own lives and ignore the lives of others when they need us. With something to think about, this is Mrs. Marsh. Make it a great day, or not.
The choice is yours.
That's right, Wildcats. The choice is always yours, and we hope that today and every day you choose to make it a great day.